jump. K is for kite. L is for lion. O is for moon. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rain. S is for sun. T is for tiger. We're almost there, through the air. Letters, letters everywhere. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra.